Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
Today we are meeting a special person, Mr. Shantanu Chakravarti. It's my privilege to introduce him. Many of us know him, but for people who don't know him, he has done 16 SR in one single season. SR means 200, 300, 400 and 600 kilometers. The whole thing considered as one SR. So he has done 16 times 200, 16 times 300, 16 times 400 and 16 times 600 in one single year. Not only that, he is a Guinness Book World Record holder in motorcycle. He has done a longest ride in a single country, 29,000 kilometers ride. Single ride he has done on motorcycle. So he's also Guinness Book of World Record. Other than that, he has lot of laurels and a golden quadrilateral in cycling, 6,000 kilometers. All the 4 cities covered.
Yes. It was 39 days in 2016.
So
एक्सीडेंट बताइए ना जो एक्सीडेंट बता
So all these and he's done Ladakh also and lot of other things he's doing. He's by nature he's an adventure enthusiast and is working as a engineer.
Shantanu, a few questions from our side. What actually drove you to getting these 16 SRs?
Actually, the experience, the main factor. Actually, basically, I am a traveler, and I am just developing different segment of traveling. That is, first I did motorcycling, and now I am just experiencing in cycling. Mostly, I love touring, not the speed mostly. But sometimes for BRM, we need to catch the speed. Otherwise, we cannot do it in time. And after that, I am thinking some trekking also. I am doing small trekking, not so much. And again, I have some dreams to do some of the river trip, kayaking or something after a few years. And in the cycling, only the 20-30% dreams completed, other 60-70% balance. So after that, cycling in the different countries in the Southeast Asia and all these places.
अभी दिल्ली दूर है.
And the 16 SR, there was no plan of 16 SR. I'm just trying to do as much as possible. There was no number defined at the start, and a lot of person helped me in different places. I don't have cycle some of the places because the time schedule is too short, so I cannot dismount and assemble the cycle. So I have taken some other cycle in Delhi and some other area.
What is your favorite moment of cycling as of now?
Multiple favorite moments, but my most favorite moment to complete the golden quadrilateral, because at that time I don't have any experience of doing even 200 kilometer riding. I did only one century ride and I started for golden quadrilateral 6,000 kilometers. Wow. And I don't know how to change the tube and all. So on the way I learned a lot of things. So that time I was changing tube by hanging the cycle with the bungee cord in some of the trees and somewhere. So after that I'm just searching the GCN in the YouTube channels, whatever, how to solve it. And within that 39 days I experienced like 5 years experience. Because I faced a lot of problem, dehydration problem and everything.
ग्रुप में कर रहे थे अकेले कर रहे
The golden quadrilateral, actually it was a Guinness World Record attempt, but at the third day my support bike got accident in Karnataka, so I have to quit that record. But after 3 days, 36 days I did alone. There was no support vehicle with the road bike, because road bike we cannot carry a lot of things, and it is like a touring. So that Guinness World Record failed. But I completed that record because my motto was get fit, get strong and don't give up. So I need to prove that. So without support also on the road bike, 39 days ride without any experience is possible. And I was the first person to do this golden quadrilateral. As I was doing 250 something, 280 kilometers every day. And after that accident, I thought now it's not possible.
What was the accident about?
Actually what happened, every day my target was around 220 kilometers to break the Guinness record. The record title was farthest distance cycled in 1 month. So that is around 6,000 something kilometers. The title is not for the golden quadrilateral. That time there is no record for golden quadrilateral. Now the Amit Samarth is doing. So after that I created that record, but I have not attempted. So some other persons are doing this record. So at the third day, my support vehicle was one motorcycle. Okay. So he is also having the national record, Limca record holder, but he slipped. Just fall down. Broken this leg and all everything. Just around 200 kilometers from Bangalore, that place. So I stopped that record, and 3 days I spent in hospital and sent back to him to Gujarat by car, and my bike was also damaged. So everything I did with the help of one police officer, the highway patrol team one person, and then I continued my journey solo. And I have one just plastic carry bag in the frame. I put it everything. I have that aero bar. I fitted my backpack on the aero bar, stitched to the bottom part of the aero bar, and I continued. And then I learned something from some of the European cyclists I met on the way. 3-4 days we rode together, and I have taken the detour from the Golden Quadrilateral. I came to the coastal route, because now I no need to stick to the highway because I don't have any record. So I have taken some of the village routes and all.
You explored the
Yeah. Like,
Shantanu, your experience with CNG, you've ridden a few times with us.
yeah, it's a very fast growing community. One another thing is the new style riding of cycling. That is in the CNG. There is no other places, because some of the clubs are doing only BRMs, so they are not doing other. And some of the clubs are doing only racing or short distance. They are not doing long distance. But the ultimate experience is matter. The different type of cycling having different experience. Some of the short distance, high speed, touring, some BRM formatted ride, and there is a lot of possibility, unlimited possibility. With Kolkata have a huge population, and cyclists also, that craze is also going on.
Shantanu, you said 60% of your cycling experience is left. So what next? What is the target?
Actually, next target is to do the ultra rides. Mostly I have started also 1,000, 1,200, 2,000 and something in the different place, because I will not do any ride in the same route, in the different route. Yeah. So Bangalore, some of them maybe after April, this BRM and LRM also will start, and outside India maybe Thailand. Yearly they are arranging one rides, Thailand and Malaysia and Japan and all this. So by the cycling I can explore the places and return back. So some of the places you can experience through cycling. Some of the places you can do by motorcycling, because Brazil there is a bad road condition, you cannot ride cycle, or African countries. So that places are not also safe for the cycling. So that time I can take my motorcycle. So this type of thing.
Any last advice for budding riders, or
Just love the cycling, and whatever you want, just do it. That is the success. Not comparing with somebody else, no. Because whatever is your dream, you reach to that dream and cherish that moment. That is the important thing.
सीनियर आपका कोलकाता में बेस्ट स्ट्रेच कौन सा है साइकिलिंग?
That is what you are doing, this the Durgapur road.
NH2.
This that is
NH2,
road,
NH2,
right?
NH2.
Yeah.
Shantanu,
That's a good route condition.
This events, these races are for proving or improving?
Not proving, improving. Proving is there is no limit for the competition.
What is for you?
Yeah.
It's,
Yeah. For me, just experience. I have some dream. I am just fulfilling that dream. I have no competition with anybody. Even though I have not tried to broken that SR records, 10 SR earlier it was 10 SR. I have not tried to break, because he is also my good friend. So I am just trying as much as possible. I'm just challenging myself little bit.
how do you manage your family? So much of traveling.
No. That is a
Family work cycling. How you balance?
No. I am solo. Till there is no plan for marriage.
Okay.
Okay.
Then it's good.
Because time is limited and I have to do a lot of things.
Being an engineer, you employed somewhere. Then how did you manage time?
Yeah, actually earlier there was a very lot of difficulties to manage time and get leave from the company. But now they know. I already told this is my second priority, this job. If you are not comfortable, you just tell me. I will quit the job and I will do that. Because I don't have any bondings and all. This is my 7th company. I have experience, I can join any other company also. So I told that you give me the work and the time limit, I will complete it and I will do my cycling. So sometimes I am doing double shift also to get the leave. And it's comfortably doing, there is no problem. And office also I am giving the leaves and all now. Because their work is not affected.
Correct.
On the way also sometimes I am calling and by mobile or mail something I am doing. And I have some 2-3 friends with company, my work they are also doing.
I have a question.
Yeah.
What you have gone through before doing first time 200, 300, mentally 400,
Yeah.
600.
Actually-
what was in your mind doing before first time?
No, actually I did first time that golden quadrilateral, so I got the experience. So after that doing 200 or 300, there is nothing, no hurdles. But for the first time I am doing golden quadrilateral,
what
that
you
was
have
challenging.
gone
That
through
was more challenging than 16 SR for me, riding point of view. But to manage the funding for this 16 SR and managing the time and logistic, coming from one city to another city, so that was the challenge. Logistic was the main challenge for the 16 SR, not the cycling.
As far as I know how it all started, when he was studying in school, at that time most of the families staying in Calcutta, they want to go to Digha or Puri for vacation, holiday. So his family also took him to, I think, Digha or Puri.
Yeah, Digha.
Digha. And
Every time.
there seeing the beauty of the sea and everything, he decided that I want to see all the beaches of
Yeah, that was the first dream,
That
and
was
I
the first
completed. My first motorcycling was coastal India, from Gujarat to Bokhali, all the beaches, around 250 beaches, I covered by motorcycling. That is the motorcycling part. And after that, is northern side is Ladakh and Siachen. Up to that part, I did by motorcycling. Then I thought that what about the inside part, this much of. So then I did zigzag and north-south zigzag, east-west zigzag, and some of the rides in Nepal, Bangladesh also.
Shantanu, when are you coming next to ride with us?
Yeah, next
proper ride.
ultra, next ultra maybe after April.
We will plan something specially for you, Shantanu.
No, not for me, for everyone. I'll join. Yeah.
What's your fitness mantra?
Yeah, fitness mantra is one thing, not about the exercise. Fitness is all about the food we are intaking. That is the first thing. 80% weightage is for the food and 20% is the exercise. Without exercise also you can be fit by controlling your food. What you are eating, what quantity you are eating, what time you are eating, what is the combination of food. That is the main thing. Because during the lockdown I put on some 7-8 kilo weight, and after that I lost 5 kilo also. By controlling only the food, not any exercise. Only the calorie count. You should know what is your total calorie requirement and what you are intaking, what is that calorie. So it should be almost equal or little bit of downside. And some of the foods are, I want to tell about some, only cholesterol and triglyceride you need to reduce. You are doing cycling or not, because most of the persons having some of the little bit of blockage because of that. Triglyceride is oil only, simply. You can reduce the oil, or if possible you can quit. And the non-veg food you can reduce, so it will reduce your cholesterol. These two things, your heart will be very healthy, and you can do whatever cycling or whatever the activity. That is the first thing for the health. It is a raw material for our body. So, and then you can do exercise, whatever the form. Because the last 5 days I don't have cycle, so I am doing this stair climbing for 1 hour from first floor to third floor and 1 hour. So whatever possible is core exercise or free hand something. Because you can see a lot of cyclists having the belly. Not telling about you. I also have, because of our all the focus is on this muscle. This muscle is good, but upper body needs a little bit of exercise.
Thank you, Shantanu. We will continue this conversation off the camera. Thank you for taking out time and coming and riding with us. Thank you so much.